in our Chinese academic science, and we also including 4 of the university, and we Chinese and the University of the Science and the Technology, and also we have currently the foundation University of Chinese Academic Science, and also 10 years ago we established Shanghai Tech University, and recently we built another university in Shenzhen. We call it Shenzhen Technology University. So, and in our Chinese academic science, we around thousands, 100+ institutes, and in different provinces in China. We have, especially in Shanghai and Shanghai, Beijing, Xi'an, and Chengdu, and also in northeast of China, Changchun. And those institute is around for Chinese and science technology developments, and we have research areas including high tech is space tech, and around the deep waters tech, and we have deep ocean research institute, and including everywhere cover all of the areas of Chinese and natural science and technology research in our Chinese academic science. And almost 10 years ago, we found another institute we call Shanghai Advanced and Research Institute. And previously, our Chinese academic science and most institute is according the field of a special field of the research. And Shanghai Tech, Shanghai Advanced Institute, and also Shenzhen Advanced Technology Institute is based on the field of the areas such as energy, environmental, and is multidisciplines and research center in Shanghai and also in Shenzhen. So, and after that, and we built a Chinese Academic Science and Innovation Center in Bangkok. And why we built this center is in Bangkok. Let's say the story is need to back to the 2050. The Highness and Princess and Lindong visiting the Chinese, our Chinese academic science. Also, by visiting our Chinese academia science, they found our research is the most very close and research and with our Chinese economic supporting the Chinese economy. So they invite our coming here and build an institute and transfer some China technology to Thai and also ASEAN. And so, and since in 1950, we are beginning to set up the organization, set up this research institute, research center in Bangkok. And finally, in 1970s, and we landed in Bangkok. So that is we are to come here to share our technology and advanced technology transfer to Thai. And actually, in the 2070s, also, and the chairman of Thai Parliament Science and Technology Committee and visiting our Chinese academic science. So they asked me, how do the Chinese and the technology transfer to commercialize? So we translate a lot of the Chinese and especially the university and also institutes and policy for professor, for researchers, and policy to the Parliament. So he also invited me to go in the Parliament for a presentation. That's why have now Thai have changing your Minister Science and Technology transfer to the Minister of the Higher Education and the Science and the Research and Innovation. So let's we are first is promote the Thai's and reform administrations. So let's so now since this 9 years and we are first technology transfer platform in ASEAN and dedicated to oversee an R&D transformation. And so it's originally and traced back to the Princess initiations. The milestone in, and we also have last year, and we have 9 years strategy and footprints, and we build up an ASEAN's and wide technology cooperation network with 5 core and sub-brands, and from the Thai impact tech hub to the globally influential incubators, and those 8 years achievements, and we have almost transferred the 80 China high-tech project to Thailand, and also we training 1,400 students, including technicians in ASEAN's people, and also including Malaysia. And each year we have some of the on-site and foreign, especially for the young scientists and also young professors, and to invite to the China and get some training, environmental and also other technology in China. And we almost get help the company to investigate in Thailand. Now it's totally also at 90 million and baht in China, in Thailand. So we have 5 brands in Thai, and we cooperation with China ASEAN Technology Transfer Center. We established the China Thai Hub, scientific hub in our centers, and also we have a cooperation with the Shanghai Committee of the Science and Technology, and to build a green technology bank in our centers. And also we established a medical Thai hub, Sino-Thai hub and research center in collaboration with Royal Chula Academic. And now we also have other SCP with SCG, and previously we have SCG have an open innovation lab in SCG. So that is we currently already build up the 5 of the brand. Actually, this year we also have another cooperation with a Ministry of the Thai healthcare, and so for developing our traditional medicine and alternative. So that's our project is just a launch. So those years, and we bring such as Vitas and also Ziwei and United Imaging, and also many of the companies go through our center, then landing the time, especially for the smart and technology and environmental, and also medical tech, and also automobile technology and transfer to the Thailanders. And some of the key projects, let's follow, we call it big science and facilities. Number one is cooperation project is top mark one. That's Thai top mark one. That is built by our Hebei Institute, then transfer to Thai. And the first discharge on July 25 and 2023, and witnessed by Hannah's royal and princess and Surindong, and this Thai top mark and one and is powered by our academic science in Hebei. And this is held Thai becoming research for the future energy in Thai. Also get becoming the training center for the future fusion and energy in Thai. I think that is in ASEAN only the one set in here. And the second one is our Thai radio telecom. And that's we get MOU with Shanghai and atomic and observation in 23. And now hardware have been ready in Chiang Mai. And also another big project is Siam proton source, and that is helped by our Shanghai Advanced Research Institute in Shanghai. So we have big facility on subphotonic and facility in Shanghai. So we have a second line. We are helping them to build in Thai. Also, we also have a student from Thai graduated from our institute, so he come back in charge of this project. And also currently, and most important is Thai-China optical satellites. So that is produced by our Changchun Institute, and also now is come to Thailand. Second one is high technology, is high-tech medical instruments in transfer to the Thai. We know most imaging therapeutic facility, either machine is pack as a CD pack is made by Simu and also Philippines. However, 10 years ago, we started this project. We have built up another company. It's called the United Imaging Company, and we bring therapeutic, proton therapeutic to here. And now we started another project. Is a proton therapeutic hospital cooperation with Lambanti Body Hospital, especially supporting. Previous and president of the PMI, and now he is becoming a National University. So we cooperation very closely to transfer our Shanghai site and our facility, proton therapeutic facility to Thai. That's our cost and very low. So previously building this facility also need 10 billion more. However, this facility transfer here only the 2.7 billion baht. So let's reduce the cost series. So that can help most people can have proton therapeutic, especially for cancer in ASEAN areas. So that's a project we are just keep going on. Currently, we also are Minister of Thai healthcare, so they also interested to supporting this project. And last year, and Priest Srintong and visiting our site and visiting our proton therapeutic center in Shanghai, and very interesting and our such as robotic and surgery, and also our proton therapeutic center, and also we have she have visiting a lot of medical high-end medical instruments in our center.